Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses and course answers. Hey buddy, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing about a free online event that is going to be conducted by Google. Before we see the event details, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'll give you all the social media link in description. Do check it out. Now let us go back to the content. So the name of the event that is going to be conducted by Google is Google Cloud Community Days India. And this event is going to be conducted on January 22 and 23, 2021. And this event is completely online. And this event is organized by 10 GDG cloud communities in India. And in this event, you'll be learning about cloud technology and different Google Cloud certifications from the industry experts. And they will tell you how you can use the Google Cloud platform and Google Cloud certifications to improve your career. And in this 2-day event, you will also get a chance to win some prizes, and you will also get some coupons for Google Cloud certifications from Google itself. And here is the theme for this event. So it's all about Google Cloud certifications. As I said, the industry experts will explain you about all the different Google Cloud certifications that are available, and they will also tell you how you can prepare for those certifications and how you can pass those certifications and use the certifications in your profile to improve to your next level. And the participants of this event will also get some quick labs credits, and some participants will also get a chance to get Google Cloud certification sponsored, and they will also tell you about different job openings at different Google Cloud partner companies during this event, and you will get a certificate of participation as well. And there are a few more amazing specs for you in this event. So, and now let's see the schedule for this event. So this is the schedule for January 22, and it will start around 4 p.m. and it will go around 8 p.m. So you will be learning about all these things here, and you have some fun activities in between the sessions. And if you want to see the schedule for January 23, you can click on it and see the complete schedule. And here is the last one, that is 8:30 p.m. on January 23. Final thank you and winners announcement. Winners announcement. So I guess your fun activities are going to be graded. So this is the complete schedule. You can switch between the dates and see the schedule for each days. And if you go to speakers, you will see all the people who are going to guide you in this event. So basically these are the people you are going to meet online in this event. And now let us move on and see how to register for this event. So you can see here register, click on it, and you'll be coming to this page. And the first step is to sign in with our Google account. So let me sign into my account first. So once you sign in, you will see this details area in which you have to give your details like email, name, city, and country. All the details are need to be filled carefully. And once you are done with giving all the details, you have to check this box and then click on submit button. So first, let me fill in all the details here and catch up after that. So now I have given all the details and checked this box here. Now let us move on and click the submit button here. So that's it. Now we have registered for Google Cloud Community Days India event, and you will soon receive a confirmation email from Google, and you will get all the details about this event in that mail. And here you can share this with your friends. I mean, share this event details with your friends, and you can also generate your profile badge, which will look like this. And here if you upload your image will appear in the circle here, and you can change the shapes as well from a square or circle. You can choose whichever one you want. So this is simple badge. So that's it. We have registered for this event. Make sure you are attending this event on January 22 and 23 to get all the details about cloud technology and different Google Cloud certifications as well. So this is the content for this video. I hope you find this video useful. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media networks like Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends.
And thank you so much for watching this video.